Hey everyone, this is David from Reviews It, and today I'm going to give you an unboxing of this pressure washer. So I'm going to have to unbox this sideways to fit it all in the frame, but we can take a look at the packaging. So this is a 1500W pressure washer. We've got a 1-year guarantee, which is nice. It's big, bright, we've got a really big picture out the front, and then on the side we've got some pictures for what we could use this for. I've actually bought this to clean my bike, but of course you can use it for lots of other things like cars and obviously cleaning walls and floors as well. Okay, so just opening it up, it seems that we have a nozzle adapter here, bag of accessories, put that to the side. Next thing we have is the actual pressure washer. Here is a hose. So we have the pressure washer here, and then the last thing we have in the box is a manual, and that's about it. So thanks so much for watching this unboxing. I'll leave you with some time lapses I got while cleaning my balcony. As you can see, the pressure washer is really powerful and makes a big difference. I also bought this pressure washer for cleaning my bike and it does a good job. After testing it, I also found that it was good for cleaning materials like brick. Because this pressure washer is so powerful, I actually really enjoyed using this and it almost became a little bit addictive. Anyway, thanks again and see you in the next video.